Hello, this is how you're going to sign into MIT App Inventor. The App Inventor has a very good program that we're going to use coding for. So if you go to Google Chrome and you type in MIT App Inventor, and hit enter, you'll see something that looks like this. If you type on MIT App Inventor, you're going to come to a page that looks like this. When you hit create apps, if it doesn't recognize you, if you don't have an account already, then it will ask you, what is your Google account? So please put in your school Google email, and then it will ask for your password, and you will use your school password, and then you're in. At this point, you can start looking at your next video, such as how to create the bouncing ball, and follow from there. Have a good day.